Dear children, yesterday I was taught you human resources and human-made resources. Now, use of resources and sustainable development. Look at the page number 118. Use of resources and sustainable development. Demand for resources varies among different regions and countries. आप जानते हैं पहली बार रिसोर्सेज कौन होते हैं. Those are things or material which are useful to us called and satisfy our needs. Those are material which are satisfy our needs. अब satisfy our needs, जब नीड्स हमारी सेटिस्फाई करते हैं तो हमारी मांग भी होगी, डिमांड भी होगी. तो कहते हैं डिमांड फॉर रिसोर्सेज वेरीज एमंग डिफरेंट रीजन एंड कंट्रीज. विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में विभिन्न देशों द्वारा उनकी मांग भी की जाती है. डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड यूज मोर रिसोर्सेज. जो विकसित देश हैं उनका बहुत ही रिसोर्सेज का डिमांड करते हैं दैन डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज, विकासशील देशों की अपेक्षा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्या ध्यान दे रहे हैं, यूएसए एंड यूरोपियन कंट्रीज यूज मिनरल ऑयल मैनी टाइम्स मोर देन द वर्ल्ड एवरेज. इन डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज द डिमांड फॉर रिसोर्सेज इंक्रीजेज फास्टर देन देयर पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ. दे कंज्यूम मोर रिसोर्सेज बिकॉज दे कैन अफोर्ड इट. The developing countries are also trying to increase their economic development by using more resources. The rising demand for various natural resources has caused their depletion. For example, overuse of soil has rendered many areas infertile. Widespread deforestation and wanton killing of animals and birds have resulted in loss of biodiversity in several regions. Many species of plants and animals are endangered and some of them have become extinct already. Many more are facing an impending danger of extinction. Misuse and overuse of land and water resources have adversely affected their quality. Besides, industry have caused air pollution which has adversely affected human health. This environmental pollution has already disturbed human and animal life. It is high time now that we should stop misusing our resources. We should try our best to maintain and preserve the life support system of the planet. We should use our resources in such a way as to make them available for longer time. We should also preserve the diversity of life on the earth. We should minimize the damage of natural environment. In fact, sustainable development should be our goal. Only then will we able to meet our present requirements and save our resources for future generations. Now, quick recap. Anything that satisfies human needs and wants is called resource. Anything. हमने कहा 2000 things वे वस्तुएं, अरे कोई भी वस्तु हो सकती है. एनीथिंग कह सकते हो. एनीथिंग दैट सेटिस्फाई ह्यूमन नीड्स. कोई भी वस्तु जो मानव की आवश्यकताओं की पूर्ति करते हो. नीड्स एंड वांट्स इज कॉल्ड रिसोर्स. मैन हिमसेल्फ इज रिसोर्सेज. मानव खुद स्वयं में एक रिसोर्स है. ए रिसोर्स हैज 4 टाइप्स ऑफ वैल्यू. रिसोर्स की 4 प्रकार से वैल्यू होती है, इकोनॉमिक, लीगल, एस्थेटिक एंड एथिकल। नेचुरल हैज प्रोवाइड immense resources to man who has utilized these natural gifts and turned them into resources using his capabilities, skill and technology. Resources may be basically classified into natural and human resources. The basis of classification of resources include origin, state of development, ability and renewability. Human resources are the supreme resources. With his capabilities, man utilizes all over the resources. The number of people and their qualities, education and health are important for economic development. Man has created several resources called human resources, that is capital, building, means of transport and communication, technology, political and social institution. Economic development, essential utilization of more and more resources and thereby leads to the depletion of resources and environment degradation. Sustainable development of resources is necessary for preserving them for a longer time. Thanks. Next day.